everyone, welcome back to Property Cloud. I am Roshni and today we are going to talk about one of the Bangalore's most exciting luxury residential development, Eton Park at the Prestige City located in Sarjapur East. So in this video we are going to talk about project overview, location advantages, amenities, pricing, booking offers, and much more. So let's start with a quick overview of the project. Eton Park is a premium residential development by Prestige Group located within the landmark Prestige City Township in Sarjapur East. The project is spread across approximately 7 acres and offers 366 exclusive residences across 4 high-rise towers with 29 and 37 floors designed with contemporary architecture, spacious layout, and beautifully landscaped surroundings. Eton Park is built for families who want a modern lifestyle without compromising on comfort or space. One of the biggest advantages of this project is that it is part of larger Prestige City Township, giving residents access to a well-planned integrated community. Now talking about the location, so Sarjapur East has become one of the Bangalore's fastest growing residential destination, especially because of its excellent connectivity to major IT hubs from the project. So Sarjapur Road is just around 5 minutes away. RGA Tech Park can be reached in approximately 15 minutes, while Wipro SEZ is about 20 minutes away. If you work in Electronic City, it's roughly a 25-minute drive. Whitefield and the Outer Ring Road are both around 30 minutes away, while Kempegowda International Airport can be reached in about an hour. So whether you are an IT professional or someone looking for a well-connected neighborhood, the location works really well. And now let's talk about lifestyle amenities. So Eton Park has been designed to offer a balanced lifestyle with a plenty of open spaces and wellness-focused amenities. Residents will have access to a beautiful outdoor swimming pool, a double height entrance lobby, an amphitheater, a social plaza, and a dedicated nature walk. The project also features an elevated boardwalk, a sensory garden, and a herb garden, creating peaceful spaces where you can relax and unwind after a busy day. Now let's talk about the apartment configuration and pricing. So the project offers only 4 BHK residences with the sizes ranging from 2,492 to 2,786 square feet, and the starting price is 2.99 crore rupees onwards. These homes come with spacious living and dining areas, larger balconies, premium quality finishes, excellent natural light, cross ventilation, and smart floor plans that make everyday living both comfortable and functional. One of the biggest highlight of this project is its attractive payment plan. Under the Too Good plan, you only need to pay 10% at the time of booking, and then there is no payment for the next 2 years with a zero EMI until June 2028. And this makes the project specially attractive for buyers looking for financial flexibility. And now talking about the position, so the position is expected by December 2029. Eton Park at the Prestige City offers spacious luxury homes, premium amenities, excellent connectivity, and the trusted legacy of Prestige Group, all within one of the Bangalore's most sought after integrated township. Whether you are planning to buy your dream home or looking for a long-term investment opportunity, this project is definitely worth considering. For brochure, latest pricing detail, payment plan, or to schedule a site visit, you can check the link provided in the description. And if you enjoy such premium property videos, then don't forget to subscribe to Property Cloud. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services, and much more.